So the seat that was in the Miata has a little bit of a different lumbar support, and it makes my back hurt on long drives. So found this guy off of Marketplace. It's a little dirty, we'll have to clean it up and get it tossed in the Miata. Alright, got the seat in the car here. Got the harnesses all in, got the 5th point in there. Everything seems to fit really nice. Close the door. It is a bit tight up here on the corner, but pretty much all seats in a Miata should be good to go. When I put the new seat in the Miata, the steering wheel is now a little further away from me. So I got a new NRG quick release. This should space it out a little bit. We're gonna pop that guy in and see how everything fits. Alright, there we go. We got the hub on there. Got it all tightened into place. One last check. Now the Nardi wheel didn't fit, so I have to put this one in there. And there we go. Gotta catch them all. Alright, with this offset change in the wheel here, pushes it a little closer to me. So now when I'm holding on to the steering wheel here, I feel like I have a nice bend in my elbow, a lot more comfortable of a seating position for grabbing the shifter, the handbrake, and the steering wheel. Should be good to go.